Okay, the hinge is attached behind the backboard, which if you have the top upside down like this, once it's assembled, the backboard will be hiding the hinge. And I don't have all of the screws in it right now. I only have 3, and I don't have them screwed in very tight. So there's the backboard, and when you screw this on, you want to snug it up, but you don't want to glue it, because if you have to ever change the hinge, which is right here, you don't want to have to unglue the board. So that's how the hinge is attached, right there. And I'm going to take the hinge off, if I can hold the board there. Alright. And that's where the hinge goes, right there. So you're going to want to put all those screws in there. Okay?